Hey guys, just wanted to hop on again to make another video. As my last video stated, I had a P0302 code, which is a misfire in cylinder 2, and had that popping sound, that misfiring sound. So I thought I'd make another video because I did have another problem with my Ford Focus ST 2015, and I was just actually on the interstate the other day, and it happened. But I'll kind of explain. And I read some forums and stuff like that of what maybe have caused this issue. But I'm going to be taking it to my Uncle Steve's shop tomorrow and seeing what we got underneath the car. Yeah, so it ended up, the last video ended up being a misfire, like I said before. I changed out all 4 spark plugs and replaced a couple coil packs, and it's running fine. The only issue that I've stated so far, or I've seen so far, is during the startup, it's kind of an aggressive idle, for a car. And I'm not, like I said, I'm still trying to get used to this car. I had a Honda Civic that I knew inside and out. So, obviously if you guys have some Ford Focuses, STs, and you had them for a while, any issues that you've ran into, or, just to help a brother out, that'd be great, because like I said, I'm just trying to get used to the car. Everything else seems to be fine. The only thing that really just crapped out on me the other day was, I think it's the wheel speed sensor, because I have traction control, ABS light on, that speedometer's not working, and that speedometer's not working, and as well as the power steering. Now, I read an issue on a forum, and it stated that it was a wheel sensor, so I'd be kind of, happy to know that that's the only thing that's causing this issue, because I just, with all these damn sensors, I really don't know what to expect out of these cars. So really just trying to figure that out tomorrow. I think that's my main focus. And then obviously seeing what's up with the idle, because like I said, this morning it just was really, just really shaky, and it just kind of seems like the car still has kind of a popping noise. I don't know if that's just exhaust, and also kind of a shakiness to it. So I think that might be the motor mounts, but I'm not entirely sure. Definitely a cheap option to figure out, easy option, so I might just replace those. It's got 62,535 miles on it, so, and I am the third owner of the car, so I'm just trying to figure out, just kind of the nicks and dings of this car, and just really trying to figure out what's going on with it. So I just kind of feel comfortable, knowing that I replaced something on it, and it's kind of the same aspect. I'm actually a pilot, so I mean it's kind of the same concept of flying a different airplane every day. You just kind of want to know the ins and outs of it, and we have paperwork that states everything that's been done to it. So I know Carfax doesn't really go thorough with that. So but yeah, just wanted to hop on. Hopefully I get this issue resolved. I'm driving without a speedometer, which sucks, but hey, I guess it's just part of the game. So yeah, I'll hop on again and just kind of keep you updated with the progress of the car and what I'm doing to it, and just see if I have any more funky stuff going on with it. So I hope these videos help, and yeah, we'll see you later.